नमस्कार, वेलकम टू देसी सी न्यूयॉर्क। चलिए आज हम आपकी मुलाकात मट्टू से करवाते हैं। हाँ, आप कहेंगे ये मट्टू कौन है? ये हैं प्रकाश झा। जी हाँ, वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर एंड एक्टर प्रकाश झा इज प्लेइंग ए रोल ऑफ मट्टू फीचर फिल्म मट्टू की साइकिल में। And this film is being featured in 17th South Asian International Film Festival. If you didn't buy your ticket yet, please go on saiff.org and buy your ticket right now. Otherwise, you're going to miss out to a very beautiful film. तो चलिए मिलते हैं इस फिल्म के मेन लीड एक्टर प्रकाश झा से और जानते हैं उनसे इस मूवी के बारे में।
ये वही मट्टू हैं जो कोई आने को टाइम है।
मेरी साइकिल में रोज कछु न कछु टंटो लग जाए ठेकेदार।
अरे साइकिल।
Thank you so much. Such a pleasure being with you.
जो एक मूवी फीचर हो रही है at the South Asian International Film Festival all over America is called मट्टू की साइकिल। और इसमें आपने मट्टू का रोल प्ले किया है।
जी।
And this feature film जो बनी है, this is the first feature film of M. Ghani as a director. उनके पास कोई experience नहीं था feature films का. He's coming from the theater and from documentary background. When I was talking to Ghani and he told me कि जब उन्होंने आपको script सुनाई, right away you said you will work in this film, you will act in this film as a मट्टू। क्या था इस फिल्म में जो कि आपने एकदम से एक्सेप्ट किया कि I'll play this role?
Thank you for this question. In fact, he sent this script to me through my editor, who he happened to know. And for quite a few months, this script was just lying on my table for me to read it. And when I did get the time and I laid my hands on it, और जब मैंने पढ़ी इस कहानी को तो मैं हैरान हो गया। कितनी खूबसूरत, इतनी सिंपल सी कहानी जिसके इतने सारे लेयर्स हैं कि पूरा का पूरा हिंदुस्तान जो आज का है वो सामने लेकर के आ गई ये कहानी। The life we are living and the story being told through a daily wage earner and his bicycle, 20-year-old bicycle, a year older than his daughter's age. And so beautifully told, without any presumptions, without any sermon, without any preaching, without trying to be judgmental about anything, just little life. Under the bridge, millions and millions of Indians are living that life. And we just saw this when the pandemic happened and millions of laborers from all over the country just started. The migration of the labor was such a pathetic sight. और हमने ये फिल्म उसके पहले शूट करी थी. And when I saw this migration, I was so reminded that these people who build our roads, who build our expressways, who serve us daily, who have built our skyscrapers, who have given us the life, no one bothers about them.
So true.
This is exactly what Motto is. All the promises which we are making to all the people who are serving us are just left, just left to negotiate their life around a bicycle. Oh my God. I was so touched with the story and I said, this has to be done.
प्रकाश जी, आप खुद नेशनल अवार्ड विनर डायरेक्टर हैं, you're a producer, you're a director, you're a script writer and you're an actor. मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है, एक नए डायरेक्टर के साथ आपने काम किया, जब आप शूट कर रहे थे इस फिल्म को, did you feel sometime somewhere कि I should just guide him little bit कि इसको डायरेक्शन में थोड़ी मैं सपोर्ट करूं, हेल्प करूं, और यू जस्ट गिव योरसेल्फ टू हिम?
I had no intention of interfering in his vision. He was the director, he was the writer, he had done this play. In fact, I was so worried about getting my own character right. And he was my guide. He was the one who was guiding me to find this character. And once I found the character, I had the huge task of keeping that character with me for the duration of the shoot. So it took me some time to get there. And when I was there, I was just in his hands, because I know when I am directing a film, I have the vision and everyone listens to me. You know, they are informed by me and they listen to me. And so it was exactly the same with this director. He knew what he wanted to do. He had a good team of technicians, and he himself had done documentaries, so he had an idea about it. So I had no problem over there, and I had decided to act, and I just wanted to be responsible for my part of the work, and that's what I did. इसमें ब्रज भाषा थी, मथुरा की ब्रज भाषा थी।
ब्रज भाषा थी, खड़ी
हाँ।
ब्रज भाषा थी, तो बहुत मुश्किल भाषा है ये, तो
जी,
आपने
जी।
अडॉप्ट किया ऐसे?
मैंने सीखा, मैंने प्रैक्टिस किया, मुझे गनी ने गाइड दिया, और मैं लगातार उसके ऊपर प्रैक्टिस करता रहा, और मैं मथुरा जाकर के लोगों के बीच में रहता था, तो वो टेक्सचर समझ में आता रहा। और मेरे साथ जितने भी एक्टर्स थे सब वहीं से थे, लोकल थे, तो उनके साथ, और उन लोगों में से बहुतों ने, इनफैक्ट 99% लोगों ने कभी कैमरा फेस नहीं किया था, एंड दे वर सो अनअफ्रेड ऑफ द कैमरा, दे डिडंट बॉदर अबाउट इट। I was scared of them because, you know, they were so natural, and I had to kind of, like, you know, live up to their standard and do my part. So I was kind of, like, you know, literally trying to run with them, and thank God Gani was there to help me.
What do you want people to take away from this film?
Well, the beauty of this film is that this whole film is, you know, gives you an experience. It's not like one thing that you can take away from the film. It suddenly takes you into that world. Like, you know, it's the expressway bridge, the flyover over which you have been going every single day. And then suddenly one day you happen to go under that flyover, under that bridge, where there is a different life altogether. So this is the story about those people.
My police intuition says it's a murder.
Nawabs of the Great Awadh. अबे साइकिल, ये टूटती कौन बेर करता?
मैं तो
And I love you बहुत सारा।
जब लड़कियों की बात आती है सब एनालिसिस फेल। हिंदुस्तान के सबसे बड़े दंगे सिखों के खिलाफ हुए।
के स्कूल में जा रही हूँ, टीचरों ने मेरे को इनवाइट किया है बच्चों को।